Are you confused about ChatGPT? Scared that your thesis might get flagged for plagiarism? Do you want to use AI to speed up your work, but you're terrified of breaking the rules? Rico is here to guide you. Introducing the AI Use Policy.
Our AI use policy isn't about restricting the use of artificial intelligence. Instead, it serves as a guide for using AI responsibly and ethically within our academic community. Think of it as a framework that helps students, faculty, and staff understand how AI can support teaching, learning, research, and administrative work while still upholding the principles of academic integrity. As new technologies continue to shape the way we study, work, and collaborate, this policy reaffirms our institution's commitment to excellence, accountability, and integrity. It helps ensure that innovation goes hand in hand with responsible use.
Now, let's talk about the 5 ethical principles stated in the policy. The first section is all about transparency. Can you use AI? Yes, but here's the secret sauce. Transparency. Don't hide it, don't fake it, just admit it. Whether you're brainstorming or checking grammar, just tell us that you used it. It's that simple. Next, the second principle, fairness and equity. We ensure AI tools allow all students equitable access to opportunity, regardless of background. Research must be free from bias and discrimination. Technology is for everyone, not just a few. Next, the third principle, privacy and data protection. We uphold strict data protection standards, practice informed consent, and maintain data anonymity. Never feed private lives into a public machine. Next, the fourth principle, accountability. You are responsible for the outcomes of AI-driven activities. If the AI makes a mess, you are the one who has to clean it up. Lastly, the fifth principle is integrity. Are you building on facts or fakes? The use of AI tools and technologies must reflect sound pedagogical principles. Judiciously evaluate everything to avoid plagiarism and falsification. Build your work on truth. You have the tools, you have the talent. But before you submit, make sure everything's right. Don't just be smart, be responsible. MSU-IIT, influencing the future, ethically. Download and read the policy today.